Hey, today I almost deleted all the videos from my channel because something that someone said to me, and I stopped because I think we should not listen to everything that people say because if I think it's the right thing to do, I should do it. I think that my videos can help someone and it helps me, but I'm not egocentric. Today was my sister's birthday and I wanted to make a video of me saying happy birthday to her and send it to her, but before I send it um, I sent it, I asked someone what she thinks about it, and she told me I'm very self-centered, egocentric, and and my sister will not want to see me saying happy birthday because it's her birthday and not mine. And then I thought about it and thought about my videos that it's about me, and maybe I'm very egocentric that I uploaded my videos, but it's not true, and I thought it maybe can help someone, so I'm not egocentric. So I didn't delete the videos from my channel, and I sent my sister the happy birthday video, and because I think it's the right thing to do, then I should do it.